This is Blair's Ultra Depth, and I haven't felt it yet. I'm gonna feel it in a second. Almost.
I'm good.
Almost. There it is. Oh my god. Oh shit. Alright, so it's actually not that bad. It's simmering.
Not bad.
It's simmering a bit.
You sure about that?
It's kind of like simmering on the. Oh, the skull. The skull is not helping me right now. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah. Here it is. Okay.
Kind of see you like that.
Thanks, man. Oh, now I know why they called it Ultra Death. Okay. Oh, God! Oh, Jesus Christ! Yeah, want the bin, got the bin. Get the bin.
Another bit?
Yeah, pass. They're taking the piss out of the Saints because we missed finals because we dumped them as a sponsor. So put our face next to win a chance to the grand final. Sit down. Well, you gotta sit down or else the cameras, they can't see your reaction.
Good. How are we sure about?
Turn it up a bit. Just keep it in your mouth.
Oh my god.
You guys okay?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fine. So good.
Sam, you got booze coming in your nose.
I'm so good. I'm so fine.
The thing is, you need to...
There's a skull on it!
Yep.
I feel like I'm in the ground!
Sam.
I'm dead!
Sam, hey, relax your body.
I'm dead!
Breathe in and out slowly.
Okay, so guys,
Yep, continue, yep.
you mastered the Hot Ones experience. You've tasted the worst you can possibly taste. You've had Blair's Ultra Depth. It's 1.2 million Scovilles. It's one of the hottest things you'll ever eat in your life.
Yep.
What is this experience doing to you right now? Like, is this one of the most memorable experiences for you?
It was very memorable because I got to chat with my best buddies.
You're a beast, by the way. I don't know how much you put on, but Matt and our entire face is burning off right now.
I tried to put on exactly the same amount as you guys. I did.
I've never experienced anything like this with spice.
I did tell you guys I'm really fucking good at spice. And I said at the start,
yeah, but I didn't believe you.
He didn't do it. He didn't take as much as
I don't think you had as much as us.
I fucking did.
Well, look at the footage back.
You're bullshit.
I did a double dip.
Absolutely.
I did a double dip. Because I was like, oh, that's not enough, so I poured a little bit more.
I fucking hate milk.
And also, it doesn't matter about how much you take, because it'll be the same heat.
Oh, quit trying to justify it, cunt.
It's true.
No, but yeah, cunt's fucked.
Take some
Yeah,
your beer, keep it in your mouth, man.
Fuck off, cunt.
No, trust me.
I'm not doing that.
Guys,
It will help.
we've reached the end of the line. You passed the challenge.
He's fucked.
I've struggled my ass off with this. It was an awesome experience. I'm excited for future Hot Ones experiences. Explain what you've going on in your lives. Explain what you've got coming up with projects. Shoot it at me.
You want to start?
I'm fucked.
Well, I'm going to be probably starting a YouTube channel. I don't know what name it will be soon, but I want to start a YouTube channel as soon as possible. I also work, so of course that's also a player thing, but If you guys like any video game content or even like Pokemon and that, I'm going to be starting doing that. So yeah, it'll be fun. So subscribe, whatever my name is.
Tomorrow, we're all working on a film called The Petrification of D. Wallace. I'm the second AD, and these two are performing as extras.
We're going to be shitting bricks tomorrow, boys.
My mouth is on fire.
My entire face is everything's on fire right now.